Congratulations on your new Junior. Junior will be ready to rid your floors of dust and dirt after just a few easy steps. Everything Junior needs for his first cleaning cycle is right in his box. Each box contains Junior's Quick Start Guide, your owner's manual and warranty card, Junior himself, his remote, his charging station and adapter, 2 side brushes, a bag of screws, a spare main brush, a pack of bumper stickers, a spare HEPA filter, a flathead screwdriver, and Junior's cleaning tool. Install Junior's side brush, and he will capture debris gathered along the edges of your home. To install Junior's side brush, you will need the following materials from his box: a side brush, a flathead screwdriver, and a short screw. Flip Junior onto a flat surface and secure the side brush into the empty socket on his bottom. Keep the remaining side brush as a spare. After you've installed Junior's side brush, set him to charge. Plug the charging adapter into the side of his charging station, and place the station against a wall on a flat surface. Leave plenty of space around the station so that Junior can easily access it. To set Junior to charge, place him on his station with the silver plates on his bottom sitting on top of the nodes on his station. You may also charge Junior by plugging the adapter directly into his side. While Junior is charging, the battery bars on his display screen will flash and the word charging will light up. When Junior is fully charged, the word charging will disappear and the battery bars will remain still. Junior automatically returns to his charging station when at 15% battery life. If he is having trouble finding his station, you will need to sync it. You will only need to do this once. On the back of Junior's charging station is a sync button. Simply hold down the sync button, while at the same time flipping Junior's side power switch on. Junior will chirp twice to let you know the sync was a success. You can also direct Junior's movements and send him to his charging station using his remote. The remote uses 2 AAA batteries. If Junior does not respond to the remote's commands, it will need to be synced. To sync Junior's remote, simply hold down the pause button, while at the same time flipping Junior's power switch on. Junior will chirp twice to let you know the sync was a success. Once Junior is fully charged and synced, he is ready to clean. Clear his way of wires and other objects that may tangle his brushes, and press the Go button on his cover. Then sit back and let Junior do the work for you. Happy sweeping and welcome to the bObsweep family.